Hello, what's good? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Telling you how to buy Bitcoin using a Steam gift card. So first of all, you go to the website you're about to type now. If this is your first time coming to this website, you can use the link on my description to sign up if it is your first time. And I really appreciate if you use the link to sign up, you'll be given a bonus. You'll be given a reward in Bitcoin, which you can use to do whatever you want. Like you can set Bitcoin and withdraw it. So this is the platform. So I'm just going to log in real quick. If this is your first time, you can use the link on my description. I already said that. So let me log in real quick. So I will show you how to do this, how to buy Bitcoin using Steam card. So you log in with your email and your password. So I'm logging in, just verify. It's like a puzzle. Yeah, you can call it captcha. So just do the quick verification. So you can do this with your mobile phone. If you're using an iPhone, you can do it with your iPhone too. It's very simple. So this is what my dashboard looks like. So I'll go to Marketplace. Go over to Marketplace now. So we say please buy. So I'll just head to the amount I want to buy. Amount of Bitcoin. That is the amount of gift card I have. So I'll put in, let me say put 100 because that's the amount I have. Put $100. So come here, tap there, select the currency, USD, which is dollar. So I tap on gift card. So they have different gift card. So I'll just tap on gift card. Once I tap on gift card, I will scroll down. I will scroll down, look for the Steam card. Okay, it's arranged alphabetically. So just go to S. That's the Steam wallet gift card. That's it. So I'll click on it. Then go to location or file location right there. Select worldwide so I can see different buyers around the world. So I can get the best rates, the best price to sell my card in exchange for Bitcoin. You understand? Very simple. So this is the offer here. So I'm just going to scroll up a little bit, click on verified only, which is verified merchants only. Verified sellers, buyers. Click on recent active vendors, people that are active right now, so they can release the coin for me after sending them the gift card and can do the transaction fast. So this is this person. Click on buy. That's the lowest rate right there. So once you click on buy, you'll see something like this. So you can see this is the amount you're paying. You can see this is based in terms and condition. I'll advise you to read the offer terms. You can read everything. Like this is the instruction. Say read it please. Open a new trade with me. I'll wait for my answer. So after opening a new trade, I'll just wait for the person to message me to know that he or she is active. Then I will send the Steam card, Steam wallet gift card, picture of the Steam card or the code, and after that I'll get my Bitcoin, which says get your Bitcoin fast and safe. Then no invalid Steam gift card means don't send use card, no use card code. Just read it. You can see these are positive people, like people that have deals with this person. So just start the trade. Yes. Waiting for this to load up. So this is the person have already sent me a message. We can see very fast. Hello, partner, send your Steam or your gift card or code type or quickly picture. So I just type in OK. So I've typed in OK now. So what I have to do is to send my, you can see please at the right active now up above, shows the person is active. So I'll just send he or she my gift card, the picture. Yeah, if you're using mobile phone, it's very easier. So this is, I'll just send the picture of, this is the picture now. Just crop it. After cropping it, I'll upload. That's a picture of the Steam wallet gift card. So after sending it, so I head over to the place. They said once you made the payment, be sure to click pay with him. So this is the card, is what it looks like. You can see it's very visible, the code is visible. So it's very easier for the buyer to see it. So click on paid after sending it. So it's kind of saying it's a way of saying that I have paid this guy. You paid him with the Steam wallet gift card. So after clicking on paid, you have to make sure the card is unused before sending it. Like you have not given it to someone else before giving it to this person. So I'll just type in confirm and release coin. Yeah, like that. Send it. You can see it's taking to the person I've sent my message. So that's it. After confirming the card, he or she will release the coin for me and it will appear on my wallet. As you can see now, my wallet is empty. Show 3.56 naira. If we are from another country, let me say Ghana, from the US, from the Australia, wherever country you're from, that's your currency is going to apply. It's going to appear up there. You'll be able to see whatever amount you have in your wallet over there. So I've already set. I'll go to my wallet. So that's it. Very easy and simple. So once the person, and you can also do very fair. If you have an account, you can refer people. You see this amount here, 3,100. So that's the amount you can see. Once it's up to 4-6, I'll be able to withdraw. So that's it. That's the people I've referred, just 4 people. So that's it. It's very easy. Thanks for watching.